Hello everyone, Don with Resolute Outdoors here. I'm going to do a quick PSA type video for you today. We're looking at Nalgenes. So what you're looking at here is a Aldi brand Nalgene bottle. It's the Crofton type brand. Now normally my wife and I are definitely ones to like to buy generic and off-brand when we can, but I would definitely stay away from off-brand Nalgene bottles. So kind of what happened with this one, this went through the dishwasher. It was the second time it went through the dishwasher. It was on the top shelf. And the first time it wasn't an issue, the second time it's shrunken up like this. Now we've had this for a little while, this Nalgene bottle. It was fine. You could definitely tell it was a little bit thinner plastic and the lid wasn't the same, although this one actually still works. But you know, the whole thing's shrunken up. You could tell it was a little less quality than your actual real Nalgene. It's got a aftermarket lid on there, but definitely different than your actual Nalgene. But it seemed fine, but obviously it couldn't stand up to the heat. And kind of, for example, this was on the top shelf of the dishwasher. This was on the bottom shelf. Same load, wasn't an issue. So I definitely stick with the name brand Nalgene bottles. It's kind of a good data point that if you do buy off-brand stuff or buy I guess cheaper quality gear, it's not necessarily anything wrong with that. I have plenty of budget-friendly items in my kits and things like that, but you need to test them out. You need to make sure that they work for you. You can't just rely on them in a pinch until you kind of verify that that's going to be a dependable item for you. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. This is Don with Resolute Outdoors. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you.